Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead Showers, and you're probably wondering why I'm sitting on a toilet right now. Well, I'm gonna go through a troubleshooting video on this bidet sprayer, and that's if the tension in this trigger is loosened up. So a cause of that could be there's a pin right in here. You can see this pin, right? And if this, for some reason, gets pushed through, you can see that. Now you lost all tension. Now that should be really hard to achieve, but all you need to do is you need to line up the other end of the pin inside, okay? So I'm gonna try and see if I can get that lined up here. I'm just gonna take a screwdriver, start pushing that back in. Oh, boom. Right. So all I did was just try to see how it's caught here, pin, and then pin, right? And maybe it's a little, there we go, boom. So now the trigger is functioning. There you have it. So just little screwdriver, just push that pin back through. It should be flush on both sides, and you're good to go. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'm Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead Showers, signing out for now.